everyone, my name is Kumkum and in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Canva's new feature called Canva Code to build a website. So without a further ado, let's get started. So let me introduce the feature of Canva, what the Canva Code is. So few months ago Canva has launched a feature called Canva Code in which you can build and deploy a website just giving a prompt. You just need to give the prompt and Canva will generate a fully functional website without using a single line of code. There is no coding required. If you are satisfied with your website, you can launch it and send it to the others. So let's get started. Okay, so let's open Canva. This is the home page of Canva, as you can see. So at the top here you can see you have given a text box in which you can type the text. Here at the top you can see the new feature called Canva AI. Click on that. Below you can see code for me. Click on this. If you scroll down, here you can see Canva has given the inbuilt template of Canva Code. You can just use this template to build the website. If these templates are something that you want, then you can just click on this and use this one. So how this feature is working, to know that, let's take any of the template and let's see this is working. So there's so many templates, you can use any of these. So I'm using this one, simple countdown timer. So let's click on this. As you click on this, here you can see there is a dialog box. Here you can see a written prompt of that website, that template. Now click on this arrow button. If you want, you can read this template, and if something that you want to change, you can change. For example, at the top here you can see create a visually striking countdown timer with a contemporary design. Start with a minimalist example featuring a 15-minute meditation timer. Okay, instead of meditation, I'm going to write here study. For example, you can write anything you want. I'm just showing how you can modify this template. Now let's click on this button, submit button. After clicking on the submit button, you can see Canva is generating the code. So wait for Canva to generate the code. So the Canva is writing CSS code. There was a time when we used to write every single line of code to build even a small website, but now we have something called large language model, in which we don't require to write even a single line of code. Without writing a single line of code, we can generate a website. If you have a few coding knowledge, you can do other, and else if you don't have coding knowledge, even then you can do this. So here you can see so many lines of code Canva is generating. Okay, now I think it's been done. Wait. See, here you can see study timer. Okay, let's see how it is working or not. Click on this start button. Here you can see this is working perfectly fine. So let's click on reset button. So it's been reset. Okay, let's again start it. Okay, so it's been again started. Okay, pause it. It's been paused. Resume it. It's again countdown started. Okay, so let's do something different. This is the template given by Canva. Let's change something. Okay, let's try something different. I'm keeping the background color as black, so give the command that make the background color black. Okay, so now Canva is again generating the code in which you will see countdown timer with black background. Wait for Canva to generate the code. There is no need to write even a single line of code. As you can see here, Canva has successfully changed the background color of the timer. Okay, let's try to do something different. Okay, we are going to create something like custom time, as here the only timer is 15 minutes. Let's give the command that give an option to customize the time. Okay. Okay, so click on this arrow, submit button. See, Canva is again generating the code from scratch. So as you can see, as per the command, as per the prompt given by us, here you can set down the time. So in minutes, you can increase the minute, or you can type the manually. Let's suppose we have given a 360 minutes. Set time. Here you can see 180 minutes. No, I think maximum limit is 180. Okay, no problem. So start. It's working perfectly fine. Let's reset it. Again, it's on 180 minutes. I can start it. Okay. Pause it. The buttons are successfully working. You can customize it according to your need. You can change anything, just you need to give the prompt and Canva will generate the code. Okay, once you have satisfied with the design, I think it's okay. Let's try to publish it. So if you click on this design button, okay, this one feature called reset. If you click on reset, okay, so entire website will reset. Whatever you have changes done in the website, the entire code, entire function will be changed. So entire function will be reset. Here you can see version 3. It means this was generated third time, because we have given the prompt this third time. Now click on this use in a design. Let's see what happens here. Here you can see a button called publish website. Click on this. Okay, let's publish. See what Canva has built without using a single line of code. You can share this link. Here you can copy, share it to your friends. Okay, let's check whether it is responsive or not. So this is responsive. Canva has generated the website, which is responsive website also.
So that's it for today. Explore Canva Code, try other templates of Canva, and let me know in the comment box what you have built. And thank you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.